my god. Hello guys, what's more video? So today we're gonna playing Smoothie Tower. I don't know. So anyways guys, make sure to like and subscribe. So anyways guys, we're going to not end. So we're not going to end of the video guys. Right guys? Come on guys, come on guys, come on guys. Okay, so anyways we're going to beat this game. So anyways this game is called Smoothie I don't know. Smoothie State. Yes, I don't know how to call it. So anyways guys. Okay guys, so otherwise we're not falling. We're not falling guys, hey. Stop. Hey, who's cheating on it? Who's cheating on your Wi-Fi? Hey, how dare you? Hey, who's hacking my game, huh? Who's hacking my game? What are you doing? My game, huh? My game? Oh my god, stop it. If you do this again, then I'm going to leave. Then go to... What the heck happened? Hey, what the heck happened guys? What the heck happened? Hey, hey, who's cheating? No one cheats, no. Yes. No one cheats, I guess. Okay, so anyways, guys, we're going to the... How should we go? Oh wait, I should just go there. Hey you! This annoying guy, huh? Hey you! Haha, you deserve it, huh? Or else we're going to leave and just rejoin. No! Come on, be careful. Be careful, guys. If I fall, the video ends, guys. I'm going to end it, guys. I don't want to end, guys. This annoying players, I think, guys. I don't know. This annoying. I think I don't like this. I think I don't like this, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait. Wait. Hold on. Oh my god. I'm so pro. I'm so pro. I'm pro, guys. On the 30. 30 plus 30, I guess. Yes. I need to reach 100. We need to reach 100, guys. I just wanna reset this. Come on. We're almost there, guys. Oh my god. We're almost there to that ugly girl. Did I see the old girl? Oh my god, stop lagging. I think she's fast. Definitely. Fast. So fast, I guess. Oh my god. I think she's so fast, guys. No. No. Huh? Wait. Wait. I should just realize that I just easy. Oh my god, it's easy, guys. Oh my god. No, I keep... I know how, guys. Okay, 39, guys. 39. Okay, give me 40. 40. 41. Oh my god. 42. 42, guys. Okay. King, stop falling. Hey, do that. Stop it. Hey. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? If I fall, then I'm going to just do. Why is hacking, I guess? Hey. Okay. Okay. Hey, who's spawning at there? Who's spawning at there, guys? Let me know in the comments and subscribe. Okay. If you guys, if I just hit 500 subscribers, then I'm going to just win, guys. I'm going to win, guys. Okay. Hey. So what are you doing? Hey. Who's the player up there? Huh? What are you doing? Hey. 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 Come on. Come on, guys. Yeah. If I'm going to just, please, do not fall. Oh my god. Oh my god. 55. Oh, stop it. Please, I need to speedrun this, guys. Stop making me stacking. Stop stacking. Stop stacking or else I will just kick you. Or I will kick you now. Okay. I just say that. Player is stupid. Okay, come on. What should I do like this? We're going to beat it, guys. Hey. I'm good. Good. Let's play it. Game it really sucks, guys. I don't like this game. I don't like this game at all. It's gonna be freak out. Okay. Come on. I really hate it, but please. Bro, stop lagging. How can I Can I just smash the keyboard or something? I don't know. God. Please, don't you dare. Bro, I'm stuck. Stop making me stucking. Bro, guys, this game is so hard. I really hate it, guys. Do not. If I follow the video ends, guys. Okay, come on. Or I go to go in there. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. How can I just go? I guess. I don't know. Let me know in the comments, guys. Okay. Oh god. Oh! Stop! Wait. Stop! Login! Guys, I need to just record properly. Because of this annoying camera. Yeah. Boy and girl, I guess. You stinky. Okay. What's that, huh? Hey, what are you doing? Hey. Hey. What are you falling? I'm going to just, I just throw you, guys. Okay. Do my speed. Okay, I just, be easy, guys. You, huh? Hey, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing, huh? What are you doing? This annoying girl, huh? Hey, what are you doing, huh? When you, huh? Me. Me first. Me first. Sorry. Oh my god, yes, it's easy. It's not uneasy because it's unhard. Unhard, guys. Oh my god, haha, I beat you all. Oh my god, it right now. Oh my god, 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 I almost made it. Oh my, almost made it, guys. Oh my god. Oh yeah, yes. 99, 100. No, stupid. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is 100 or just 200? Oh my god, why? Okay, what's that? I'm going to ignore the. I'm gonna win, guys. Like, come on, guys. It's a win. I am a winner, guys. Like, guys, I know how to just cheat or just something else. Do something. I don't know. So, anyways, guys, we're going to beat that game from now on. So, anyways, we're going to beat this game. Bro, stop lagging. You're always lagging without this because you always losing my time. Always losing my time. What do you think about it? Leave me in comments, guys. What is the stupid game, I guess. Yeah, the heck game, I guess. I don't know how to talk about it. Okay, that's good. I'm going to. This annoying, huh? Hey, you, baby girl. You, baby girl. Hey, what you doing? Hey, you. Come back here, huh? Hey, come back here. Hey, come back here. I'm going to cheat on you. Huh? No, 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 no. Do not. Oh wait, I forgot. 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 Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. I forgot to this. Oh my god, I'm about to die. I'm about to die, guys. Oh my god. Ah, I forgot. I forgot. I forgot. I forgot. I forgot. No. 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 Please. This annoying girl we're going to trying to just cheat on me. Annoying girl, I think she's lagging. She's doing everything else, but I don't care. I think she's lazy and dummy and smelly. I don't like this game. I hate this game. I hate this game. Look at her. She's so lazy. Haha. Look at you. Lazy bone. I don't care. Guys, I need to just get rid of this, guys. So, anyways, guys, we're going to ignore the players, guys. So, I'm going to drink 137, guys. I don't know, guys. I don't know. 138 or 139. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's go. We're almost there, guys. I'm gonna get 40. I need to beat that game, guys. Right? Come on, we need to beat that game. We need to beat this game. Come on, guys. Okay. Come on, guys. Okay. Let's go. Oh my god. Stop making me lagging. Wait, how about let's do like this? Oh my god, I just lose that. I wanted to use the shift block, I guess. Wait, can I reset or this? I should just reset all the time. I should just reset all the time because I know I'm going to just cheat. And I'm going to just and also I don't know what cheat is. Okay. Okay, what's that? What's that good, I guess? Oh my god. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Okay, that's good. That's good, guys. Okay, that's good. Hey, you, annoying girl. Get out of here. Get out of here, my psychopath, I guess. Come on, guys. Oh my god. I did nothing wrong, guys. I did nothing wrong. You did nothing wrong, huh? You were just rude to me, huh? Or I'll just knock you in the head, guys. Let me know if I'm about this mod. So, otherwise, it's going to be easy mode. I think. Or something else, I guess. Okay, let's go. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. Let's start. Okay. We're going to 163, guys. 63 stage. So, otherwise, we're going to this, or 40. Wait, I forgot. Oh! I forgot. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's easy. Oh my god, it's easy. This now on hard. On hard, guys. On hard. You can just, play on hard, guys. On hard. Let me know it comes, guys. Okay. Oh my god. Why are there so many checkpoints or stage today? Why are there so many stages? Oh my god. Oh my god, where is it? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, that's good. Okay, oh my god. Hold on. Wait. I missed the checkpoints, I guess. I missed the checkpoints. Okay. Oh my god. Wow. Wait, how? Wait, I should just choose this. The random place, I guess. I should just choose someone, guys. Guys, wait. Oink, 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 oink. Look like a oink, like a pig. Oh my god, I'm going to. Okay. No! Oh my god, what the heck? Wait, I should just do like this. No, God! Oh my god. 180. No! Come on, guys. Nah, loser. Loser. Oh my god, look at you. You're a loser. And I win. I'm not a loser. You're a loser. I'm a win. You're not winning. You're a loser. I'm going to call her a loser. Haha, loser. Okay, so anyway, we're going to choose if I want. I'm going to choose this. I'm going to choose this, I guess. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Okay, let's go beat this game. I keep on itching my nose, I guess. If I'm going to just keep on just doing that, then I'm going to beat my nose, I guess. If I am going to just difficult with my nose. So, otherwise, we're going to beat this game, guys. Okay. I'm not a loser. You're a loser. Come on, come on. Okay, what the heck? Come on, we're almost there. We're almost there to win this game, guys. Come on, we're almost there to win this. Oh my god, I'm going to get in trouble again. Come on, 98, 99, guys. Oh my god, oh, 400, 200, guys. 200, 200. I want. I need to just be a pro, guys. I'm a pro. I'm going to say that. I'm a pro, guys. I'm a pro. You're a pro. You're not a pro. I'm a pro. You're a loser, and I'm a pro, right? Okay. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Oh, shit. Oh, Nick. What the heck? Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I'm going to get intense here, my guys. Come on. Wait, I forgot. Oh, my God. Wait. I know. I don't know. I just wanted to. No. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God, guys. Oh, my God. We're almost there. Hey, what's that? Annoying, huh? Hey, come back here. I'm going to beat you, and you're so slow. And I'm going to beat you instead, guys. Come on, we're almost there. For me, I'm going to catch you, Wait, I forgot. I forgot. I'm going to choose if I want, guys. Hey, what are you doing, girl? Girlhead. Hey, what are you? Bro, stop lagging. You're acting like a tantrum. Come on, guys. Wait, where are you? Oh, he's, I don't know. How do you are? Wait, I forgot. Oh my god, I'm going to gonna get this slow. Hey, yes. Oh wait, what are you doing? Hey, you noob. Okay, that's good. What are you doing? Hey, what are you saying about? Oh my god. I need to just beat it. I need to beat it like a second ago. More stuff. Sir, I guess. Come on, guys. Sir, I guess. Bro, stop clicking. I'm so slow. Huh? Please subscribe to my other channel, please. I'm going to create a new channel. If you unsubscribe to my other channel, then I don't care. You should just unsubscribe if you want, guys. I don't care, and I will just unsubscribe to you. Hey, what are you doing? Annoying girl. Where's annoying girl, huh? Annoying. Where's annoying? Where's the annoying girl? Huh? Oh my god, okay, that's good. I'm going to keep saying annoying girl. Haha, look at her, she's so cute here. I'm pro, guys, right? Come on, guys. Come on, call me a pro. Please, call me a pro, guys. Come on. I think I'm going to just do like this. Exactly like I'm going to just... Come on. Wait, how? How? How, guys? Okay. I should go to this game, guys, right? Come on. Oh, wait, I should just beat up for next time, guys. I should just beat the game, Wait, I forgot. I don't know. What the? No. Yes. Oh my god. Oink, 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 oink. Ouch. Ouch, please. Have mercy, guys. Have mercy. I think she's a loser. Look at you. I think she's ugly, right? Come on. Ugly and smelly. Come on, call her ugly. Please. Please, I'm begging you. Oink, 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 oink. Ah! Please, guys. Please. Please. Ah. Yeah, I just burp at you, guys. I just burp on you, guys, right, guys? Okay. Bro, I keep on burping at you. Oh my god. Oh, oh heck. No. Oh no. Yeah, oh my god. I don't know. Oink, 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 oink. Keep on screaming like a girl. I am a girl. I am a girl. I'm a girl. I'm a girl. Please, I love you. Keep screaming like a girl. I'm gonna scream like a girl, please. Oh no, no, bro, it's so fast. How can I beat it? No. Oh, oh, oh my god, it's so fast. It's so fast, guys. It's so fast. Oh my god, 261, guys. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. I don't care without players. Okay, let's go. I beat it so much, guys. I like this game. I like this game for a while, guys. Stop making freaking lagging. The freaking lagging, I guess. Come on. The freak lagging. Don't see that ever. How can I do that? Can I do that? Can I do that again? I guess. I don't know. What else? Let's go. Let's do like this. And just climb the if I want, guys. Come on, guys. Oh, please. I wanna be a pro, guys. Come on, I wanna be a pro, guys. How? I know, guys. I know. We should just do. Ah! Oh my god. Yes. I don't know what's talking about this. Spending here for the next couple of how can I just reset if I want, guys? Oh my god. Easy. Easy. Oh my god, it's easy, guys. Oh my god. Do that. Think about it. Ah! How can I use? Okay, let's go. Oink, 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 oink. Let's try again. Ooh, no. Hey! Oh no, this annoying girl is coming here after me, guys. Oh no. This annoying girl who's coming onto, This annoying, Annoying girl. What? Oh, what are you doing? Hey, wait. Oh, wait, I'm going to keep jumping, guys. I'm going to keep jumping. Guys, okay. Oh wait, I should jump higher. Something. I'm flying in the sky. It's the world. Come on, it's the fold. You know, it's little. I think the little one. Do not, guys. Do not. I'm going to just shoot this, guys. Oh, oh no. Woo. Point, 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 point. Come on, kill me. Annoying girl, huh? Annoying girl, what is wrong with you, girl? And I don't, nobody cares without you, huh? Nobody cares, bruh. Nobody cares about you. Okay, okay, let's go. Let's go, keep, why? Okay, why? Hey, this one is annoying girl, huh? Hey, you are annoying. You are a noob. You're a loser. I'm a pro. Hey, ignore it. Noob. You're ugly and disgusting. Okay, let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go beat it, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think she's smelling like a psychopath. And she's smelling like a Thanksgiving turkey. I don't care without her. Because she's smelling. And disgusting without the armpit smell. Armpit smell, I think is, I'm going to call her armpit strong. And armpit strong, I think is, but anyway, I'm gonna keep on pro. So I'm a pro, guys. Right, guys? Okay. Okay, so anyways, we're not falling. We're not falling, right? Come on, kill me first. Point, point, point. Okay, come on, guys. Okay. How? Ouch! Huh? How? How can I? Oh, I can. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. We're almost there. Can I go to the office or just something? I don't know. What to eat? No, I don't know. Come on. Oink, 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 oink. Come on, guys. We're going to keep touching, I don't know. Keep touching laser, guys. Because it's fun, right? Come on, guys, it's fun. Because I